Hey everyone, it's Hunter at Burlington Kia. Today I want to show you all this 2021 Kia K5 GT Line Special Edition. This is a certified pre-owned vehicle, so you get the remainder of the 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty that comes with it new. You've got some premium wheels. This car also has all-wheel drive. So it's got a couple extra features in addition to the typical GT Line. You got red interior with black accents. Once you jump inside, you've got that large touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all of your radio controls as well. You've got dual temperature control up front, automatic. It is all-wheel drive, so you've got your drive mode selector right here. You've got your electronic parking brake as well, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, wireless phone charger. It's going to come with your panoramic sunroof. It's got just over 34,000 miles on it. You've got plenty of driver safety features as well. Blind spot detection system there. In the side view mirror, you've got your lane keep steering assist, your adaptive cruise control that paces you behind the cars that are in front of you. Jump out here, you've got your K5 carpet floor mats all the way around. That same interior all the way into the back. And then plenty of trunk space here as well. So if you're looking for a certified pre-owned Kia K5, make sure to give us a call today to schedule your appointment at Burlington Kia.